TTC committee consisting of tourism, transport, national highway, civil aviation, shipping, and railway safety. These six departments together can be served to the Jammu and Kashmir very big way. This committee first time is conducting a meeting in Jammu and Kashmir. The committee is coming after the COVID first time to the Jammu and Kashmir and to create a confidence to the society. This Jammu and Kashmir can become a haven, and if it is Indian people get the confidence, probably most of the Indians are going to the Switzerland to have a entertainment, relaxation, everything there. But if you compare the Switzerland and Kashmir, it's not even a 10% will be there in the Switzerland comparatively with the Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. We have culture here, we have the ponds is there, big lakes are here, and we can create so many beautiful children's activities here, and sea flight we can create here, and many things we can say here, birds you can see, animals you can see, everything you can see here visible. Switzerland you can't see anything except snow there. Snow covered the hills, and except that one, and you can't stay more than 3 hours, 4 hours you can't stay that area. Here is a lovely thing, and because of this region, because of to create after becoming a UT Jammu and Kashmir, and we have come here. Probably after becoming a UT Jammu and Kashmir, we are the first people from tourism department, or you can say tourism committee, transport committee, and shipping committee. Shipping also can do here. I told you just now. Sea-based air flights can be created here, and entertainment can be created here. And if you see National Highway, 24,000 crores works is going to be completed under the Prime Minister blessings. And Home Minister and Prime Minister is personally they are concentrating the development of the Jammu and Kashmir. It will become a Bhutal Swarg, this Jammu and Kashmir. And if you see the as it is progress last 30 years, whatever it was there, it's the same thing it is there. Now the railway connectivity is completing. Millions of rupees they are spent that money, and probably within a year that railway connectivity will be coming in a big way. Number of railway, national highway tunnels are creating. So definitely the Jammu and Kashmir is going to become a rich place. And one more thing I wish to say, government has given the lot of incentives after becoming this UT. They are going to give a big facilities, subsidies they are going to give, and greenfield projects is going to come, unemployment will be solved. We had a number of meetings with the stakeholders. They have given a lot of problems they have expressed that one. Committee is going to discuss those problems and will recommend to the ministry accordingly that one. And the committee is a silent developing force. We cannot publish the things what we are doing things. We will be presenting all our after the discussions. We will present our committee to the ministry, and they will take it to as a bill forum, or if they have the powers they can do themselves. Generally Parliament, if you see the MPs, they cannot do deliberation, time will not be permitting. Here every subject treadmill will discuss and will recommend properly, and then only it will become a bill form. So the committee is doing lot of services, and we are all here. Our committee consisting of 31 members, and all including defense people who have invited, and home ministry we have invited, and civil aviation people who have invited. Civil aviation problems everybody knows. Night landing is important, everybody is saying, and some good instrumentation if it is installed. this fog time also can be it can be landed, and we ourselves is seeing the problems here. Now we are going to recommend these things to the ministry, and all the things will be set right as early as possible. And some of the state government problems also is there. Unemployment problem is there. They has to give separate the representation they have given. They have to have give some work to them. That also I recommended to the state government. Earlier they used to give that workmen contracts they used to give for the unemployed engineers and everybody. That system has been stopped. That also we are recommending to the governor. And for this meeting, our Jitendra Singh, Honorable Minister, also attended for this committee meeting. Farooq Abdullah also he attended, and our right side friends also attending this meeting from Jammu and Kashmir. So all these things, it's a matter of time. Definitely people are going to see lot of development in this area.